Hello. Today I want to talk about trust. There's a Dutch proverb, trust comes on foot and leaves on horseback, which is really making that point, that once you lose it, it's hard to regain it. So it's something we should all be very mindful of. And simply in societal terms, it has huge costs. Not trusting means that enormous expense, probably more than half of the expense of a society now, is in monitoring, controlling, and legally administering whatever it is that's going on. If we didn't have to have that level of superstructure, we would be in a very much better place, and also much less wasteful than we are.